Right from the start, this hearing is already raising eyebrows. We're dealing with a tenant accused of violent assaults inside a residential community, serious enough to involve police reports, felony charges, and even SWAT responses. But here's the twist. Today's hearing isn't actually about the criminal trial. It's about whether this man should be removed from the community entirely. And things are about to get tense very quickly.
Ronald Allen Bodges, 2600001.
John Capitan, P61901, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff, Brandon Valley.
Your name, Mr. Bodges?
Vargas.
That question from the judge might sound random, but it's usually not. When a judge asks if someone has been drinking before court, it often means there's a history of courtroom behavior problems. And as this hearing continues, you'll see the judge already seems pretty familiar with this defendant.
Now, you didn't have any alcohol today, right?
Sure.
You sure? All right. What do we got here?
Okay, Your Honor, this is just cause termination.
Yeah.
Mr. Bodges, back in November, I believe it was November 1st, he assaulted 2 residents at the community. This isn't the first time either. This has been an ongoing issue. I mean, I have police reports dating back from, gosh, I have one from December 24. I have trespass.
Is that the serious case that's
Yes.
pending as a felony?
Yes, this is the one where one count is assault with intent to do great bodily harm less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, assault with dangerous weapon felony.
Let's pause here because these charges are serious. Assault with intent to cause great bodily harm, multiple counts of felonious assault, and a habitual offender enhancement. That last part means prior convictions could dramatically increase sentencing if he's found guilty. But remember, none of this has been proven in court yet. And that's exactly why this hearing becomes legally complicated.
This assault, count 3, assault with dangerous weapon, felonious assault, and last but not least, habitual offender, 4th offense, notice mandatory 25-year sentence. Your Honor, the community is tired of having SWAT teams come over. Residents are complaining. It's unfair to the residents. We asked the court to terminate the residency of Mr. Bodges.
Mr. Bodges?
Yeah.
Do you have anything to say?
Well, you just said I saw 2 people I know. Remember, there's only one person there. He tried to assault me in my own home. He got his ass whooped.
Hang on. Don't talk like that. It's a courtroom.
Anyways, he got beat up. He wanted to take me out for that. I said, it's self-defense, Mom. I got a court date. I got a court date for all these charges that he read. Most of them not even there. He don't know what he's talking about. And I'm going to beat that case, Your Honor. I need to go March 7th to beat that case.
This is you rent, correct?
We're trying to rent a lot. Suzanne wants my home.
No, Suzanne does not want his home. Suzanne wants to have a community member who doesn't disrupt their quiet, peaceful.
No, I know. I get it, Mr. Capitan, but here's the problem Mike got right now. I don't want to be asking him a bunch of questions. He's got the right to remain silent. I don't know whether he intends, don't say anything, Mr. Bodges. I don't know whether he intends to say anything or not, or testify or not. Is that March 7th trial or is that March 7th pre-trial?
Might be pre-trial or trial. For sure. We're upset on the time. I think the guy's got to show up there.
This isn't even about Mr. Bodge. I'm sorry, I'm speaking.
Hang on.
This isn't even about Mr. I'm speaking, sir.
Mr. Bodges, settle down. Before you go anywhere, Jennifer Wiseman, would you do me a favor, please? Or Jennifer McLose, would you call Amy and ask her to check and see what that case is scheduled for, please?
Judge, I'm pulling up Third Circuit's website right now and looking to see if I can.
Good. All right, go ahead, counsel.
Well, I was going to say, Your Honor, whether or not Mr. Bodges gets convicted of this or not, what we have here is a disruption in the community. This has been ongoing. This isn't even it's not even the first time. Obviously, I've told Your Honor I have about 7-8 reports here throughout the years since 2022. This is an ongoing issue. It's not even about him being convicted. It's about having the disruptions, having the police presence in the community. I mean, he just admitted that he was in a fist fight right at his house. So I think that that's enough to provide for cause for termination. I mean, and I'll take judicial notice of.
What if he's acquitted of it?
Well, if he's acquitted, it doesn't matter.
Wait a minute.
This is a civil case. I mean, if you take a look at it, you have,
You're alleging that he physically assaulted another resident of the community with a baseball bat. That's what your allegation says.
my allegation is that he was arrested in November.
Well, that's what I'm reading off of your notice to quit here.
Yes. Yeah, that he assaulted another resident. That's correct, with a baseball bat. Whether or not it was self-defense or not, what we have here is Mr. Bogus telling the court, hey, I was in a fist fight. He admitted it. He spoke. I did it. So I think what we have before the court is we have November 3rd.
The law is not an ass, you know? If this was truly self-defense, I'm not saying it was. I'm not saying it wasn't. I'm in a pickle because I'm not going to be asking him questions today. That's not fair. That's not appropriate for a judge to be asking a defendant questions regarding a criminal case that he has pending because he has the right to remain silent. It's not appropriate. It's not something I'm going to do. In fact, I don't know how I'm going to. And listen, Mr. Bodges is not high on my totem pole here. I mean, he shows up to court drunk. He was on there yelling F this, whatever, on Zoom here a couple weeks ago. So this is not about me thinking that Mr. Bodges should be in the church choir. That's not what I'm talking about. I still have a function, a responsibility, and I'm not going to breach that by throwing this guy out without a hearing. I'm not going to breach that by.
This might be the most important moment of the hearing. The judge openly says he's not impressed with this defendant's behavior, but that doesn't mean he can ignore due process. Courts can't assume guilt before a criminal trial happens. So instead of rushing to eviction, the judge decides to wait for the outcome of the criminal case first.
Assuming that he is going to be convicted, I'm not doing it. I'm just not doing it. I'll be glad to. Have you figured out what that is, Jennifer?
Yes, Your Honor. So it looks like there's a final settlement in February, or a final conference on 2/19 and a jury trial on March 4th.
Okay, good. Then we're going to adjourn it to right after. I doubt it's going to settle based on what he said. If it does, I'll be glad if you find that out, Mr. Capitan, to call the court and say, ask the judge to give us an earlier hearing. But I'm going to be gone on the 4th, I believe, right? Or the 5th. So we're going to have to do it when I get back.
Right, I know you have vacation because there's another case where we're going to go out to a property. Yeah, you have vacation.
Right. So I can do it like, what day am I coming back? I don't even know.
You'll be back on this for the 16th.
Yeah.
Well, then let's do the 16th, okay? 16th of March.
Judge, do you want it later in the morning if you're going to have testimony possibly?
And also,
Well,
Like 10:30?
Yeah,
isn't it the day that you're going out to another property?
I don't know.
Yeah, pretty sure.
Is it?
Because it's my property.
What time?
I thought it was,
Early.
it was like
Early?
8:30, yeah.
I'm gonna know what the jury verdict is that day. I don't know if I'm gonna need testimony. March 16th at 11. Let's do 11 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, Your Honor.
But I don't want you to have to sit around here too much either. Do you know what time that is? Are you going out to meet me is the point, counsel?
Yes. Yeah,
Do you know what time that is?
yeah, it's like 8:30.
Well, then let's make this 10:15. How's that? Time we get out there and look and come back.
So that's also another.
All right, that's what I'll do on that. Thank you. You understand everything that's going on? No, March 16th at 10:15. March 16th at 10:15, the day before St. Patrick's Day. We'll see you here then.